Hi team, I'm John from Lovells at Edwardstown. In this video we're just going to do a quick run through of the MRT Canopy and the Explorer range on this brand new N90 HiLux. So you see the MRT Canopy at the recent Caravan and Camping Show at our stand, also online. Let's have a look and get right into these canopies and explain why they differ from our competitors. The biggest difference, I believe, is the single handle in the middle, so no whale tail, double door locks. So single handle in the middle. Also don't have any space inside the canopy taken up with the whale tail locking systems. We've got latches on the side of these. Also integrated is the same single handle on the box, which uses a similar locking mechanism. This canopy is all central lock, so all of the doors and also the toolboxes are integrated into the same central locking system. There's structure inside of the doors, so it doesn't matter whether I grab it on the side, in the middle, wherever, the door's not going to twist. It's all nice and firm and comes down in one nice, action. Around the back of the canopy, we've got exactly the same locking mechanism on the trundle drawer. So same latching on the side, single handle in the middle. Again, all integrated into the same locking system. The trundle drawer is a proper sealed unit, so there's a dust seal in here. The Tradesman ones come with 2 doors in there, so everything's completely sealed in there, especially when all your gear's in there and it's underneath the vehicle. No dust is going to go up into this trundle drawer. The rolling mechanism is like butter, barely any effort. All your gear in there stays in there nice and solidly. When we look at the internals of the canopy, the lighting system comes with it. You've got not only your white light, but also your orange camping light to keep down on bugs when you're out in the bush. So another great feature of these canopies is if you accidentally leave the light on, when you lock the canopy, it turns off. So in the premium keyless entry system, there's also an Anderson plug which is hidden under here, which we can utilise to run a 12-volt system in the back of this. The only extra thing you'd need is an ignition source for your DC-DC charger. So the flush mount floor on these is fantastic for mounting all of your gear, your fridges, power systems, drawer systems, whatever you need. There's no need for a false floor system underneath it. It all fits in nicely and nothing's going to stop anything from protruding with this flush floor. So with the internal extrusions on the roof here, it allows you to put a roof bar system, or we've also got in this series, the X series platform. That can hold up to 100 kilos, which this vehicle is rated to 100 kilos on road, and also has a static weight of 300 kilos. So you can see on the back of the canopy, they've really gone the extra mile with putting extra support in here, not only for the spare wheel holder, but also for the ladder system as well, and then the jerry can on the other side. So on these Explorer packages, they do have different options. Obviously, this customer's gone with the spare wheel holder, the ladder, and then also the lockable jerry can. Now, the spare wheel holder comes already pre-drilled, ready for every single stud pattern there is, even the new Super Duty 8 stud pattern. So the ladder on the back here is actually fully adjustable to allow the wheel to go in behind it, rather than sitting next to it. So it's utilising as much space as we can on the back of this canopy. And then obviously quite rigid for heavier blokes like me. Lockable jerry can on this one. This one's just a key lock, but it also includes gas struts as well. So it's a nice functioning lockable jerry can holder. So this Explorer pack is your general as it comes. The standard powder coat is what you see. We hold most of these in stock, available for dual cab, single cab, space cabs. They come in this version, which is the chassis mount, and then also the tray and canopy version as well.
Today we've got another MRT canopy going in on this D-Max. It's an Extra Cab D-Max, so it's a 2100 long Tradesman pack that we're fitting to this. You'll get the trundle drawer, of course, rear entry door, side entry doors. Just came in the other day. It looks beautiful. It's got the new tail lights on it. Got Brady here fitting the rear sensors up as we see. This particular one is the Tradesman pack, aimed squarely at the tradie with the rear trundle drawer. You can put the roof racks on as well. Come with the integrated light on the inside, a beautifully braced internal door, nicely weighted as well. It's just, one hand one touch with a single lock on it. Nice flat floor. We've got the toolboxes to go on underneath, of course, as well. They're just over here in boxes still. This D-Max we've had for a couple of days. We've done a GVM upgrade on it, a long-range fuel tank, and a couple of other pieces. So it'll be a beautiful car when it's all ready. Can't wait to see how it turns out and what the customer does with it in the long term.
If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. I'm John. Thanks for watching.